Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Armili Graphics. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create stylish 3D Christmas name design using AI, as you can see on your screen right now. Make sure to watch the video to the end so as I show you how to do that. So let's begin. Now you go to Google Chrome on your phone, type in AI as you can see, then on the first option there you click on it. So I've clicked on it. As you can see, we're in the Bing environment. If this is your first time, you have to register with your email. I've registered mine already. So let me paste the prompt. So as you can see, I've pasted the prompt. Then I click on create. I have 15 coin. Let me show you. So a day you have nothing less than 15 coin. Then that's it. Wow, I have 4 different images. So let us check it one by one. This is the first design. Wow, look at it. Look at the Christmas design. Look at the colors, majestic. I have to check the second one too as well. And before I continue, if you want to download that image, if you like it to download it to your phone, you click on that arrow as you can see. When you click on that, you download. As you can see, download already. Look at the second one too as well. Lovely. Wow, really like this. Wow, look at the design, look at the background. Precious. And look at this other one too as well. Lovely. Good. Wow, look at the flowers, look at the roses, everything is good. Look at the design too. So we have 4 different images. So lovely. Look at this too. This is in gold color. It's in gold color. So another name, give that this angel for angel. I did for angel too as well. Wow, look at the ring at the top, look at the wings, look at the background. Wow, these two as well, good. These two as well, look at the golden name, Christmas design there in the background, so lovely. And these two as well, wow, that's good. It's so lovely. The wings, the golden wings. Then my other one too, I also do for another name. I think this is our third one, that is Robert. Wow, lovely. These two as well. Robert, so as you can see, Robert is good. Then the other one to also default Robert is also good as well. So here with this AI, you can tweak the design. That is the prompt. You can change 1 or 2 things in the prompt. As you can see, I changed 1 or 2 things in the prompt. Look at this. As you can see, the Robert is like flying. As you can see, so you can change it. So the last one, I think so. That is I think Messi. Yes, Messi. I did for Messi as well. Look at this one too, so on the ground. Look at this design too as well. Lovely. So you can design the name, you can change it, you can add your word to it for the prompt. So that's how to do that using AI. So for the prompt, I'll show you the prompt now. If you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button on your screen right now, the like button too as well, then share this video across your socials, and make sure to drop your comments concerning this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.